In this video, we're going to learn how to complete a pattern using some shapes. So we're going to try to identify what the pattern is. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the pattern, and here's the pattern, and we need to figure out what these shapes are going to be. So step one is to determine the pattern. The first three shapes are pink circle, blue rectangle, and green triangle. And it seems to repeat right after that. So then we have pink circle, blue rectangle, green triangle. And then again, the pattern repeats. And then again, the pattern repeats. So the pattern repeats these shapes over and over. So the complete pattern is going to be made complete by filling in pink circle, blue rectangle, and green triangle in the blank space. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it. And also, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could follow along in the ebook. In the ebook, you can download it and you can find in there this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the lesson as you watch the video. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.